If there's one winter activity that many Filipinos in Manitoba haven't fully explored yet, it's probably cross-country skiing.
Wala po akong idea talaga kung ano yung cross-country skiing. Hindi ako familiar sa kanya po. Actually, hindi ko po alam na meron sa Manitoba. And no, even Winnipeg, na super lapit lang pala.
Jesse and Zane are gearing up to try cross-country skiing for the first time, here at the Windsor Park Nordic Center, one of Winnipeg's top spots for the winter sport. If you're a first-timer like them, no worries. You can rent equipment and even take ski lessons right here. Whether you're going solo, with a family, or in a group, there's a lesson that's just right for you.
Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to the Nordic Center.
Meet Chris Rowe, one of the ski instructors here at the Nordic Center. He has been teaching cross-country skiing for over 20 years.
And then on the toe of your boot, there's a bar. And what you're going to do is you're going to push that toe, that bar part of your toe,
Right into the slot against the bumper, and then you're going to lock the ski into place. All right, let's give it a try. And when you're ready, push off and glide. Aha! Yes! And I get low, and then I just sit down. 1, 2, 3, and roll up like that. Give it a try. My kids became skiers, and so what often happens in the ski community is that when your kids join cross-country skiing, the adults are offered adult lessons by other people in the community or in the club, and so then I became a skier. You got this. You got it.
Cross-country skiing started gaining popularity in Manitoba back in the 1980s. And today, it's one of the top winter activities around. Unlike downhill skiing, cross-country skiing is more approachable and accessible. No need for high-speed slopes or ski lifts. Just grab your skis, find a trail, and start gliding.
Stay with it. Low, 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 low. Get low. Get low. Stay off your heels. Stay off your heels. Stay off your heels. Yep, perfect. Fantastic.
And don't be fooled, it's not just a casual stroll on the snow. Cross-country skiing is all about technique and endurance.
Look how low I am. And my knees. It's that lower body flexibility again. Remember, stay low. Keep going.
Making it an awesome full body workout.
Intimidate ako, parang natakot ako kasi nga ski, feeling ko hard siya na sport kasi parang very for athletic people.
That is crazy. Wow, fantastic.
Expectation mo pa.
And he went on to his heels.
Malaglag.
Actually, it's super easy to learn. For me na hindi ako athletic na person. Madali lang siya and fun. Actually, pag once you get the hang of it,
Down, up. Down, up. Good job.
it's a good activity. And then once you get going,
bend, bend, bend. You got this. You got it. Yeah. That's good.
even medyo malamig, nag-heat up yung body mo kasi you're doing so much work. Kaya maganda siya.
Cross-country skiing continues to grow in Manitoba as a recreational and competitive sport.
It's such a friendly community and such a joy to be a part of, especially on the competitive side of it too. In the competitive ski world, it's still very friendly. People are very cooperative. People are very supportive of each other between the different clubs and with the different athletes and the families. So it's a real joy to be a part of it from that point of view.
For those who want to learn, here's what Chris recommends.
There's really no bad weather. There's only poor clothing. So dress in lots of layers. Make sure that you pay attention, obviously, to the forecast and stick to areas that are well inhabited and that are safe. If you are going out into a place that's far away, make sure that people know where you are and that you're traveling with friends and you have emergency supplies and all these different things. Choosing a course as per your ability is also very, very helpful too. Getting out and practicing, having an instructor is a very good idea.
Hindi nyo malalaman yung fun kapag hindi nyo tinaray and hindi naman siya gano'ng kahirap.
Take your time.
Nasa Winnipeg tayo, winter peg. So might as well take advantage na we are able to do these activities na meron tayo with our weather.
Right now, the cross-country skiing community in Manitoba isn't very diverse, so it would be great to see more Filipinos give it a try.
We need to see more diversity in the sport. I would say skiing it's very much a family sport, and it does kind of that cultural piece, especially on the Scandinavian side. I think that the more we introduce different communities to it, the more people will say, hey, look what I can do in winter.
Did you know there are over 50 cross-country ski trails across Manitoba? And in Winnipeg alone, you can ski in these spots.
It's a great way to spend your winter, and it's also a great way to kind of not be so stuck inside, right? And feel like, hey, I've got options, and also kind of acclimatize to the winter weather that we have, right? And make the most of it. And the coach, I'm going to join you down here. Let's all go down. Everybody go down. Come on, everybody go down.
I've been here 14 years and I can't believe na ngayon ko lang siya na-try. Wow. Kasi feeling ko kung trinay ko na siya before pro na ako ngayon.
Wow.
Off and glide. Aha! Yes! Low. Get low. Stay off your heels. Yep, perfect. That is amazing.
This is how we winter in Manitoba.
At Windsor Park Nordic Center, cross-country skiing.